Are you looking for a home under $1 million on the island with the river view? Well, you found it. We also have a cabana with a full bath in here behind me, the courtyard with the pool and many access to it from the house. Very spacious living areas are here, both sides. And of course the kitchen is the soul of every home, right? The thoughtful design of this home gives you many opportunities, functional seating areas. And of course, the showstopper of this home is this view. We have a double sink here, a beautiful big tub, and look at the size of the shower. This is the most spacious bathroom with tub and shower, and then this is the most amazing closet space. Both sides, double closets. Ladies, what else can we have, right?